Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are going to use some stencils today, and it's a 3-piece layering stencils, and these stencils are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Let me look at them. They are layer 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to use some Halloween colors today because it's Halloween season at Whimsy Stamps, and even though this is a birthday stencil set, why not use some Halloween colors and make it a Halloween birthday card? Because some people have probably birthdays around Halloween or on Halloween, and it's always fun if you can get a Halloween birthday card. So this is some white cardstock, 110 pounds, and this is black Soot Distress Oxide ink. And I will be using some other colors like, let me see, Twisted Citron, and I will be using some Carved Pumpkin. So all Distress Oxide inks, even Dusty Concord. So much fun. I had so much fun with this. And there's 3 stencils, and it's pretty easy just to do one color for each stencil, but towards the end I do two colors. And I love the words. And if you get the coordinating die set, it will cut out these pieces for you. So amazing. So thank you, Whimsy Stamps. I love this idea. I love stencils so much. And if you have dies to cut out your pieces, like that's just like ephemera to me. Cut aparts here, however you want to use them. For your projects. They're so much fun. So I have a few Whimsy Stamps brushes to my left here, and then some I don't. I need to collect or get some more brushes. And so I love that you get, I think, 3 cakes on here on these stencils, and I couldn't figure out I couldn't figure out which cakes I wanted to use because they're fantastic. And so I highly recommend this set for you because you can use it all year round. Obviously, it's a birthday stencil set. And you can, if you didn't want to stencil these pieces, you can just stencil a cake and put that as your main image for your card. And how fun is that? So we are down to one last stencil, I believe. And so let me line it up. And there are some squares on, or circles actually, on the stencil that probably helps you line it up better. But I just go by visually lining it up. And so I wanted to use Carved Pumpkin. I know they show yellow for the stars, but we're doing Halloween colors and yellow would work, but I just wanted to stick with like the main Halloween colors, like the orange and the black. Of course, pink would be fun too. So if you used some worn lipstick, that would be really pretty. And almost finished here, and the words are so fun. I love that the dies will cut out the words. So you got wish, and you have sweet, and you have hugs. So those are fun. So ta-da! So pretty. I love it. So I hope Whimsy Stamps makes some more of these stencil sets because the ones I do have, the layering, I love them so much. So I took my dies apart, and so now it's time to cut out my images. And it's really pretty, really easy to line them up and put the balloons and then line up the cake. I stenciled the cake a little more where the candle was just because I didn't feel like I got a good inking there. So here's where I put the stencil back. I'm looking for my stencil, and I hadn't washed it yet, so I'm just going to ink it up really fast and easy here. Just using the ink on my brush and better. So see how easy that is. And now I can, I trimmed off a little edge that was sticking off my die. So using my die clippers, and now I can put my die on my image and run through this through my die cutting machine, which is my Anna Griffith. Okay, so look how amazing. Cut them out like butter. And so I'm just going to put them. I love that banner, so fun. Hugs. And so now let's put our card together. And I wasn't really sure what to do next. We do have those hearts. I didn't use those, and I thought maybe one of these dies would cut out the hearts, but I don't know. So I think it's just an extra, so that's okay. And so let's figure out what to do. I am going to grab my ticket die here. I love this ticket die, and let me give you the right name for it. It's the Terrific Tickets die, and there is a whole collection. And then this bokeh paper is just perfect. Look at the bats on there, so nice, so pretty. So that was a great option there. And then this green was my next option, but I'm going to go with a different option. So fun, and I love these ghosties so much that we're going to go with that paper and make it a Boo birthday card. And all these ghosts are so happy to be on the card for this birthday. And so now to play around and decide where to put everything. I'm going to cut the party hats because guess what? My ghosties are going to wear a party hat. So I don't know if this card is funny or scary or what, but I just had fun putting this together. I was just thinking, wow, that's so fun, and not cute, but it was just a lot of fun, and crafting should be super fun, right? So now the cakes. And so so fun just trying to put them together. And you know what, I really wanted these presents, and I was trying to figure out how can I do this. Of course you can put it on the inside of the card, but I'm gonna make it work. And I thought sweet wish, and I'm gonna put hugs because you might need it getting this ghost card. And the balloons, I really wanted my ghost to show, and I really wanted my images to show. So another way I could have did a slimline card as well. That would have been great. So just figuring out where to put everything, and this is the fun part. So let's start gluing where we think that everything should go. The balloons next to the ghost, put the party hats on. I wanted the purple to the right here, so it's not next to the purple balloon. I didn't want the ghost wearing a purple hat next to the purple balloon, but sometimes that happens. And putting this cake, which I love these star candles or toppers so much, and so we'll put sweet on the top, wish on the bottom, and of course we're gonna put hugs because, you know, it's a scary cute card, and sending you hugs with that. Cleaning off some glue there, and And then trying to fit the banner. I know it's a busy card, but I love it. So much to look at, and I love that. So I'm going to cut the presents because why not? That way it fits on this card. And we have that bright A2 card base as well, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and that's a top folding. And almost done here, and just the last thing is fit this banner. So I have this stamp set. It's called Boo Day, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment inside of the card. I added a scrap of white cardstock, and I thought I'll put that cake inside. And I've used this image so much, that's why it's black. And I'm going to use some black Soot, but it didn't stamp too great. And so then I grabbed my Versafine Onyx ink, and perfect. So we have Happy Boo Day to you, and glue that cake last thing for this card. And I had so much fun making this card. I hope you can tell. And so I will be back with another tutorial. Here is the front, and I'm just going to crease it with my Whimsy Stamps bone folder, which I found, yay! And here's a close-up. So thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.